Kublai pi baro kini kilongi kubor bamda kasngi. Umentri rangba akajila Meghalaya U Conrad ki sangma ula penshai halor ki jing sngokia ki bedei bad ka project bantei ka hotel 5-star halum pongdeng hajan kapong umyam haribhoi district. Hadin ka jingya ki ba jingya khangbam hunger strike balapalong daga Green Tech Foundation hakmat secretariat habakran shikilat pathai kubor umentri rangba ula pnyang bagidon ki jing sngokia ki blami na ki paat ba halor ka jing thmu bantei ya ka hotel. Nrei ula penti kena baka sorkar kalabu ki kendon ki bating banyadai kamariang U Conrad sangma ula ong bakat kum ka jingete so skular hapring ka sorkar bakat na tourism omsha satya bantei kinu ki jingtei bane khlem permanent construction hagate ka island ula kdo baki jing Kynnoh baka island kan kalalong ka jakate concrete pura kilong ki babakla bat bomdan Nongrim. Shushu umentu rangba ulong bakum kini ki jingte kilong kumba jule hakita masa bat jinyalang pat ba barkim wanra jingta baslem ya kamariang tentup ya ki jingtung jingtem barkim rat kimreng ula gedawru bawa la dadon ki jingbit na kitnat kum ka forest department ban pelong kat tu kat ne ki kam bala pet ngor henry kitnat tourism kala pen scam ba on omsha satya bandon kinu ki jingte ban ne slem hakate ka jaka Haga bakun U Conrad sangma ula kentu iki pat ba bakim dei ban sha penbit haki jingyetu kubor bakla bot lapen pau baka sorkar kadang yai trei shitom ban penyat lang ya kejingya rap tourism bar kejingya da ya kamaria.
Dear friends, there have been some concerns that have been raised in the public regarding the Lumpongdeng Island. I would like to take this opportunity to clarify to everyone that in the agreement that has been signed, the government and the tourism department has made it very, very clear that there will be no permanent construction that can take place in the island. So therefore, the concerns that are there that the entire island will be made into a concrete setup is completely wrong. Government has made it clear in the agreement that no permanent structure is going to be allowed in the island. But in order to ensure that we're able to take advantage of the location, temporary structures, shamiranas, pandals, and temporary stalls, which are going to be dismantled once the program is over, like we do in Watts Lake. These kind of structures will be allowed, which will be barely there for a week, 10 days, and then removed again. And hence, there will be no impact of any sort on the island or on the overall flora and fauna in that location. And hence, I would like to clarify this and inform everybody that there is no major need to be concerned. There could be some individuals who might try to mislead, that there have been some consent to operate and establish permissions being given. That is as per the Forest Department's permissions, which means that Forest Department has said that in case the permission has to be given, it can be given as per the Forest Department in certain sections. But to take that also into consideration, we have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction, permanent construction, will be allowed in that particular island. So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.